In this video, I'm going to show you the most common spots on a car frame where they rust out. So this is a Saturn Relay. I wanted to show you the frame on here and what to look for on most vehicles where they start to rust out. Here in the back, where this bracket is holding, it's starting to rust out. The shocks, obviously, are starting to get pretty rusty. Same thing on the other side, right where that support is, it's starting to rust out. Now when you look under on the frame, most important things to look for is where the welds come together, or where two different joints meet, like right here. This ain't too bad. Obviously the rocker, inner rocker, is rusting out pretty bad. That's cosmetic. I mean, it ain't gonna affect the frame at all. But you want to be looking both sides. Driver's side's usually the first thing to rust out, especially in the northern states where you get salt on the roads. That's where they put all the salt, is right down the middle, so you get it on the driver's side always first. Here the inner rocker rusted out again. So here, this is definitely getting really bad. As I'm touching this, this is all just falling apart. As you can see, the inside, it's rusty, but it's still solid. It's actually pretty bad right up on top there. But this is the worst of it right here. This frame is just completely gone through. I mean, I'm tapping on it lightly, but I could break it easily. As you can see, pieces falling down. So I mean, anytime your frame is like this, it's gone. I mean, there's nothing left to it. As you can see, the support bracket for the subframe is supposed to be supported there, and there's nothing there holding it anymore. Inside, it's solid, but I mean, the outside is just gone. You can't even see it from the wheel well, so I mean, you'd have no clue unless you get underneath it and look. Another thing you want to check is your subframe. A lot of times them rust out. This one is pretty solid. I mean, it's rusty, surface rust, but it's solid all the way through. And yeah, like I said, where you got any welds, that's the first spot it's going to start rusting, so you want to look there. You want to look where your control arms are attached on. This one's not bad. Obviously, it's been an oil leak, so oil's been keeping it from getting as rusty. I found a little bit back here on the passenger side that's getting pretty bad. And then corner. But yeah, that frame on that driver's side, up just underneath the driver's door, that's where it's rotting out. I mean, you can see it on this side. Right here, there's a pretty big crack in it even. And it's cracked all the way through. There ain't much holding that anymore. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe